Please sit comfortably. Today we are going to do a interesting sequence of practices. All of you like these practices very much. They are all dynamic practices, very challenging, at the same time full of fun. So the first practice that we are going to do is a dynamic spinal twist. Tiruppugal, shall we do the practice for today? So please stretch your legs out and keep your legs wide apart, as wide as the mat. Ensure that your back is straight. You should not keep your back like a question mark. You should keep it like a exclamation mark. Very nice. Now raise your hands by the side of the body to shoulder level. Can you lift it and show? This is wrong. Can you drop it down and show? This is also wrong. Keep it at the shoulder level. Now slowly twist your body to your left side and touch the left side and touch the toe with your right hand. Turn your head back, look at the hand. Come back to center and slowly turn to this side now. Your hand should not be hanging down, Tiruppugal. Very good. Back to center. Left. Back to center. Right. Back to center. Left. Center. Right. 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 Left. Right. Left. Right. Go on. Go on. Go on. Full speed. Very good. Now stop your practice. Keep your hands by the side of the body. Close your eyes and observe how you feel now. Observe your breathing and heartbeat. Observe how you feel in your hip. Observe how you feel in your spinal cord. Observe how you feel in your shoulders and rib cage. Observe how you feel in your neck. Now get ready for the next practice. Shall we do the next practice, Tiruppugal? Very good. Keep the legs in the same position, but ensure your toes are pointing upward. Ensure that your back is straight. Now we are going to do the practice called Chakki Chalanasana. So sit straight. Keep one hand on top of the other. Keep it fully stretched out. Slowly turn your body to the left side. Slowly lean forward and then roll over to one side and slowly go back a little more, little more, little more, little more, and then come to this foot. Roll over. Now like this you will be doing clockwise 5 times. If you do this practice regularly, you won't get a big single family pack tummy. Okay. Have you seen people with a big tummy, like a belly, pot belly? You will never get that if you do this practice. You will get what is known as a six pack. Yeah. Very good. After doing 5 times clockwise, now you change the direction and do anti-clockwise 5 times. Very nice. You reach out to the toe. If possible, touch your toe. Tiruppugal is trying his best to touch the toe. Now you should not bend your knee, Tiruppugal. When you're reaching forward, do not bend your knee. Nalla pinala sayano. Go back nicely. Very good. When you finish 5 times, just lie down and relax. Just for a few seconds, observe how you feel. Now get ready for the next practice. Bring your legs together. Come to sitting position. We are going to do rowing the boat. Okay, you remember rowing the boat? It's called a Nauka Sanchalana Asana. Okay, so keep your legs together. Keep your toes pointing straight upward. Sit straight. Keep your hands near your chest underneath the shoulder. Slowly reach your hands forward. If possible, touch your toe. Drop your head inside and go back. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Now come forward. Don't lie down fully. Okay? Try to reach out to the toe without bending the knee. When you become very flexible, you should be able to touch your toe with your hands. Very nice. See, when you are bending forward, you should keep your chin up. When you reach there, you drop your head inside. Yeah. Now you drop your head inside. Very good. And go back. Ah, very good. You should not bend your knee. Nicely, you have to lean back. Ah, then only you will be able to grind your tummy. These practices make your tummy like that of a wolf. You know, in Mahabharata, there is a word, Vrikodaraha. That is how Bhima is referred to. He was the strongest man who had the stomach like a wolf. Very good. When you finish 5 times forward, do 5 times backward. Boat has come forward too much. Now you have to go backward. And you have to do the practice nicely smiling. You should not make faces. When you're going forward, you bend your head inside, raise your head up and go back. Okay? Ah, very nice. Lean back little more, then it will become real difficult. When you finish, then you lie down. After completing 5 times forward, 5 times backward, lie down. Just for a few seconds, close your eyes, observe how you feel. Today we are going to do one more very interesting and very dynamic practice. It is called as Kawa Chalanasana. Kawa means crow. Chalana means to walk like a crow. How many of you have seen a crow? In India we have so many crows. I don't know whether you have crows in USA or Germany or Russia or Australia. Kids seeing the program from USA, you may not have seen a crow, so you can think of a seagull. You can walk like a seagull now, okay? So we will show you how to get into this posture. Tirupukar, can you please stand straight? Now come to squatting position. Now you take 1 foot forward. Keep your right leg forward. So when your right foot is kept forward, the left knee is touching down. And you have to turn your head to the side where you are keeping your foot forward and make the sound like a crow. Like that. Now keep your left foot forward and the right knee goes down. Like that you have to do 25 steps. You can walk all over your terrace or you can walk throughout your garden. So keep one more step forward. Very good. And one more. So you're going to do 25 steps like this. Okay. This is called as Kawa Chalan Asana. You will be doing 25 steps of Kawa Chalan Asana. Whichever side you keep your foot forward, that side you have to turn your head. And you have to make the sound like a crow. You can keep shouting and go on making 25 steps. When you finish 25 steps, you can slowly lie down in Shavasana. Lie down on the floor. Keep your legs slightly apart. Hands slightly away from the body. Palms of the hands facing upward, facing the ceiling. Head neck and back in one straight line. You should not put your head to one side. And close your eyes. Keeping the eyes closed, become aware of the whole body from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. Become aware of the whole body from the top of the head to the tip of the toes. Stop all physical movements. Do not move your eyes. Do not move your eyelids. Do not move your fingers. Do not move your legs. Do not adjust the position of the body. Your body should become like a big log of wood. No movements at all. The whole body should be completely still. Total stillness. Total, complete stillness and motionlessness of the whole body. Become aware of the whole body from the top of the head to the toes. The whole body is completely relaxed.